Well, that, oh dear, it had to go. That's a good hit. Look majestic from Rohit Sharma.
More runs. In fact, 4 more runs.
Half century for Rohit Sharma on his return to this India side. Shot, wide open space on that leg.
One more boundary.
That's asking for trouble. There it is, the 100 moment. The 5th 100 in one-day internationals. Very well played, young man.
Another boundary.
Straight down the ground. It's another. Smashed away again. 4 more. It's the 150 up for Rohit Sharma. He is blazing all over this ground. It's wonderful to watch. Straight. Oh.
And the ways.
Was the upper leg well played, magnificent. It's hit well, it's hit very well, and it's a moment of history for Rohit Sharma. First batsman to score 2 double hundreds in ODI cricket.
What an outstanding innings from Rohit Sharma. Right from the start, he was in total control of this innings. The entire team is so pleased for him, making a comeback of his sorts after his injury in England. The first batsman in the history of one-day international cricket to get